Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. I want to give a quick shout out to everybody watching the video today. Definitely appreciate all the support. Make sure you guys mash that subscribe button and hit that bell if you hadn't already to make sure you get all our notifications. Anybody watching this for the first time, any newbie viewers, or anybody who just hasn't taken advantage of our free ebook, the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide, it has all our best kept secrets, some strategies, tons of facts, and some things you'll need to know in order to make it in this market and start profiting. So we're going to jump right in and see what Bitcoin's been up to. Take a look at Ethereum and XRP as well. So here we go with Bitcoin, making higher highs all the time. Making higher highs all the time. We had a breakout here. Two spinning tops, kind of a hangman. Okay, but we had a breakout. We had a break back inside to the trend line to support here. And then a break back outside. Okay, even though this is kind of a reversal pattern here and we haven't broken this, this is looking pretty bullish right now. Bulls are trying to take advantage of this. We need this retest candle here to stay up and above this area, to stay outside of this trend line, so we can see some further upside take place. You can even lower it down to the 1 hour and see what's really going on down there. We've seen the breakout, the break back in, straight peg to the trend line before bouncing back out. We got a nice little retest, a 2 tap here. Nice doji candle. We're going to need to break up and above this area here to start, basically breaking out of this little trend that's starting here. So we'll break up and out of that, maybe retest and bounce back out. Looks like we're looking pretty bullish, but you guys always know Bitcoin can have these free candles that just drop $300 to $400. Sometimes way more than that. So there could be a free candle that spikes down to this area. It could spike down to this area. There's a lot of areas it could spike down into. So don't be surprised if something like that happens, to knock out all of these stop losses, to collect all this liquidity, and then go back up. Nobody gets profit, but the people that, didn't have stop losses in this area and had good entries. So this looks like we could see some upside action here. As long as this candle here holds, we're going to need to see this 4-hour candle hold up and outside here, and then see a nice confirmation candle go the other way. Looking in the XRP, kind of the same thing, except for this trend line just a little bit different. There's a lot of choppiness up here with these wicks, so it's kind of hard to draw an accurate trend line. You could even do it from body to body here, which is also not that accurate sometimes. But as you can see, we're squeezing up into this area. We've broken up, we've broken down, little pin bar here. With all the selling pressure, all these wicks to the high is selling pressure. We've broken out and down and back in. So right now we're currently in the inside of this. So XRP is actually looking kind of bearish. It looks like we can spike down in some of these areas here, maybe break outside of this trend line for the third touch. Maybe it's just coming down to make a third touch. And once it makes that 1, 2, 3 touch, that's an area of concern, whether it's going to make or break this trade. We'll take a look at Ethereum right now. I'm not sure why that's not over here. Oh, sorry. Find Ether. We'll look at Ether Bitcoin. Excuse me. Okay, so we've broken these highs, maintained above, retested. We've got a confirmation candle going up. Now, even though this is kind of a evening star right here, reversal candle, a 3-pattern reversal candle right here, we are on support. We have set a confirmation candle the other way. It is a bullish engulfing, which means this candle totally engulfs the candle next to it and another candle. So it's actually engulfing 1, 2, 3. That whole pattern has been engulfed. We do see selling pressure up top. We are seeing a bullish candle end up here, but that's okay. We can bounce up in here all we want to, as long as the result is a bounce to the upside. So Ether, again, is kind of a mixed signal right now. And it's looking like it can come down, maybe touch this trend line, maybe work its way sideways. There's a nice little zone of liquidity in here. So that's the area we're playing in right now. This was resistance. Now it has become support, which is always a good look. So we could be dipping back down in here, giving people good entries, and then bouncing back off to the upside. Obvious targets would be looking to the left, maybe go down to the 1 hour or the daily, and look and see that right now we're kind of breaking up and above this important zone here as well. So we've broken up and above it. We've got on a daily a nice This is kind of a shooting star, so it's kind of a bearish candle, but we are up and above. So I would see a retest of this whole zone here, this whole region right here. We could see a big retest of this, and then before it continues to the upside and just breaks out from these levels in here. Things are looking good, but guys, we're not in bull territory right now. We haven't really broke any of these other highs over here, which is what's needed. We need to break some of these highs, which is what needed to really consider this a bull run. There's no real great news that's been out, even though we are making higher highs each time we decide to go that route. As you can see, there's really no huge news coming out to be a catalyst to spark this bull run, but it doesn't take much. And the way things are looking with some of these top coins, they're looking kind of bullish. We just need to hold the support. We've broken above it, which is something that hasn't been able to do since last year. 1, 2, 3 spikes to the high where we saw the break. The 1, 2, 3 spikes is what you need to look at. This is the area. It has broken, but it can easily fall right back down and just break out of these zones. So keep your eye out for that, guys. Don't jump into anything. Let the trade come to you. Let the market come to you. Find an area that you think the market could reverse in. Find swing highs and swing lows. Let the market go to the area and then find your entry. Just because it hits it once and rejects doesn't mean it can't come back and hit it again. I like the double tap entry. So if it hits it once, comes back, hits it again, and denies, that's my entry. So keep that in mind, guys. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the Bitcoin breakdown. Anybody has any questions, put them in the description below. Anybody that hasn't clicked that link or anybody that's new, scroll down. You're going to see a link called the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. So click that link, get your free ebook. You're also going to have a big training series, a whole training booklet, a whole training course we've put together for you, totally free of charge. Cody Sperber himself, the Clever Investor, will tell you all about it and how to get it. So make sure you take advantage of that, and we'll see you on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.